The Alma Sprint is a stunning Restomod of the Alfa Romeo Alfasud Sprint 6C, originally designed for Group B rallying in the 1980s. This modern interpretation by Alma, a Portuguese automotive company, brings the iconic design back to life with contemporary enhancements and meticulous craftsmanship. Limited to just 20 units, the Alma Sprint is a true collector's item. Under the hood, the Alma Sprint is powered by a re-engineered version of Alfa Romeo's four-cylinder boxer engine, bored to 1,800 cubic centimeters. This engine features redesigned heads, forged pistons, custom camshafts, and Dellorto carburettors with velocity stacks, delivering 160 horsepower to the front wheels. The power is transmitted through a close-ratio 5-speed manual gearbox, and a Torsen limited slip differential ensures exceptional handling and stability. The front and rear bumpers were redesigned to blend perfectly with the over-fenders, drawing inspiration from cars such as the Lancia 037 and the Maserati Shamal. The result is a completely unique bodywork, created mostly from composite materials. The front is dominated by the latest technology heliprojectors integrated into a billet aluminum housing, while the redesigned Vitelloni mirrors perfectly blend with the side profile. The chassis setup utilizes redesigned front and rear suspension, taking advantage of the wider track with adjustable dampers and reworked geometry. Finally, the brakes were upgraded with larger vented discs and motorsport-grade components. The Alma Sprint tips the scale at just 880 kilograms,